So the next one is called the pentatonic scale. So penta means 5. So it means generally is a 5-note scale, right? So under the pentatonic scale, we have pentatonic major and pentatonic minor, right? So this is a pentatonic scale. So pentatonic scale is your do, re, mi, sol, la. Like I said, it's a 5-note scale. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, right? Is then your 6, which is your la. So do, re, mi, sol, la. Then you end it with your do, or you just end it with that. So then end with your do. That is your major pentatonic. So when you go back, so it's your 1, right? Your 2, your 3rd, your 5th, right? Then your 6th, then end it with your do, the last note here, which is your 1 also. So your 1, 2, 3, 5, right? Then 6, and end it with your 1. So do, re, mi, sol, la, do. Then you can descend back. So look at the way I put my finger, starting with my middle finger, then the pinky, the index, the pinky, then your la, the index, and end it with your do, which is the pinky also. So you go back, right? So that is the pentatonic major. So the pentatonic minor is your 1, starting with your index now, right? Like I say, anything major we start with our middle, while anything minor we start with our index. So for the minor, pentatonic minor, this is it. Let me play it. Right? Then so our 1, our do, our flat 3, you get it? So do, re, then fa, so, which is your 4 and your 5. So right, and you end it with your flat 6 and your do, right, which is 7. So 6, then do, which is the do, that's, we can call it your 8 or your 1. So then you can descend back again. Yes. So that is the pentatonic minor. So let me go back to the pentatonic major. This is it. Pentatonic minor now. So that is all about the pentatonic scale.